Bangladesh, 6 seasons in our country. 1. A winter morning fog fills a cold window below. The sun comes slowly, it feels warmth on the body. A wave of sweet smoke rises in a cup of hot tea. Children run one way, fields playing a lot. Leaves fell from the trees, smart birds on the ground. The winter window touches it feels good. The sun shines on the dry grass. Everyone touches warm clothes. It feels good in the cold. At night, we part in the blanket, sleep comes comfortably. Winter dresses are tully spread in the breeze, so it is very nice and beautiful. Bangladesh is our country.